So I got this package here from person, and we're gonna do an unboxing. I guess unbagging. It's not a box, but yeah. Let's get to it. About this big thing here. So I only have one hand, so I'm gonna try to open it with one hand. It's soft, doesn't seem fragile. Apparently it's a meme, and I'm excited. I think there's a hole in the bag here, but we're not gonna pay too much attention to that. So let's get this open with one hand, and I'm my best. I think I'm just gonna use two hands, and when the bag's open, I'll be back. Alright guys, got the bag open. There's a hole right there. No hole here. A few holes there, but this is the big one. And these are my shoes, but we're gonna pay attention to what's in the bag and just slide it out. It's stuck in the bag, so I'm gonna try to get it out. I'll be back. Alright guys, got it sticking out a little bit. See, like something white, and I think I should be able to shake it out. It's a panda. I like pandas. It's a nice panda. This is from the back. NANI? Oh. This is panda with the big chin. I love it. It's meme worthy. I've always wanted one of these actually too. But yeah, thanks person. I'll leave your link in the description. KiwiSuki to your social media. Give her a follow. She draws too, and she apparently she sends you memes in real life. So this is it. Gonna just chill now. This is a great collection to my meme collection with other collections. I think I'm too close to it. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching my my bagging video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll have more content soon. Let me just do a backflip here.